this thing on? Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today, welcome back to the Unicorn Squad. Make sure to become a Unicorn family member, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you my 4 slimes, and wait, I want to show you something else. Look at this, I have a $2 bill. Let's get this slime stuff set up in the camera. Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you my 5 slimes. Okay, sorry. So, the first slime is this pink slime. It's Flarp, and I put some sand in it. And there's little bigger chunks of Orbeez. The next one is this one that I made with the three blue slime challenge. And I put a little bit of foam beads in it, and I put some lotion and a little bit of chunks of Orbeez. The next slime is this jiggly green slime, and I'm not going to really get it out because look at that, it's sticky, and yeah. The next slime is this really pretty metallic-y slime I made today, and it has this unicorn, it has the Pugacorn. It's really cute and I love it so much. And then it's got like these heart glitter in it, and then it's like metallic kind of. Okay. The next slime is this slime, and it's got a mermaid in it. And I don't know why it's not focusing, but it's got really pretty glitter. And I made this one today too. Oh my goodness guys, I thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now, because I want you to become a member of the Unicorn Squad. And yeah, peace out. Sorry that took so long to turn off. Let's try again. Peace out.